discuss about finding out LCM. Finding LCM, and firstly by prime factorization method. So firstly, what we shall study? We shall study that how to find LCM by prime factorization method. Students, keep in mind, we shall follow two steps. Okay, we shall follow 2 or 3 steps to find LCM by this method. Firstly, do the prime factorization of the numbers. And now multiply all the prime factors. But mind it, you should take common prime factors only once. You should take the common prime factors only once. Are you clear? Let me repeat. Firstly, step 1, you should do prime factorization of all the numbers. And next step, you should multiply all the prime factors, including only once the common prime factors. Clear? Now let's do some examples. Students, what to do? I have told before, to find out the prime factors, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. These are the prime factors of 12. Are you clear? Next, 16. Prime factors of 16. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, or not? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Now what we should do? We should multiply all the prime factors, but we shall take common prime factors only once. Clear? Now you can see here, students, that there are 2 pair of common prime factors. Okay, there are 2 pair of common prime factors, so we have to take them once only. Okay, so LCM of 12 and 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So what will the answer? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 into 2 48. Clear, students? So LCM of 12 and 16 is 48. Clear? Let's take next example. Another question, students. Find out the LCM of 10 and 18. So firstly, what we have to do, students? Firstly, do the prime factorization of the numbers. So prime factorization of 10 is 2 multiplied by 5. Are you getting me? Prime factorization of 10 is 2 multiplied by, yes, you are genius. Next, 18. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Clear? This is the prime factorization of 18. Now you can see that there is only one pair, there is only one common pair, or not? There is only one common pair, that is 2. So you have to consider this pair only once. Clear? Now LCM of 10 and 18 is, LCM of 10 and 18 is, we have to multiply all the factors, but we should take the common prime factors only once. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 10, okay, we should take this pair as 1. Okay, multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. In which order you can multiply, students? No problem. Whatever the order may be, no problem. The LCM does not change. So 2 3s are 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 19. Clear? 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 19. Are you clear? 18 का टेबल तो आता है ना? Next. Now students, by short division method, find out LCM of, let's take the same number 10 and 18. 10 and 18. Let's take the same examples by this method. Okay. So students, in this process we have to write it in a row. 10 and 18. You have to write the numbers in a row and divide it by their prime factors, by their common factors. We have to write the numbers in this way, and we should divide them with a common factor. We should divide them with a common factor. Clear? So you know that there are 2. Both of them have 2 as common factor. So 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. You know that, students, these both are Now co-prime. 5 and 9 are co-prime because they can be divided by a same factor. Okay, they can be divided by a common factor. So it can be divided by 5, but it can be divided by 3 or 9, etc. So both of them can be divided by a single factor. So we have to leave it. Now what to do? Second step is LCM is equal to multiply these things. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 9, and you know that 2 multiplied 5 is equal to what? 10. 10 multiplied 9 is equal to guess 90. What? 90. So LCM of 10 and 18 is 90. In this way, in this method, we got the same answer, 90. Method, whatever may be the method, students, whatever may be the method, but LCM will be the same. Next, 15 and 75. Students, 15 and 75. So what we have to do? We have to write both of them in a row. Now divide them. Now we shall divide both of them with a common factor. So you can see that here is 5 and here is 5 in their one place. So it is divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Clear? 15 5s are 75. Clear? Now, can you see both of them can be divided by a single number? Both of them can be divided by a common factor. Can you guess? Yes, 3. You are so genius, students. You are so genius. Now, we shall divide it by 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. Okay? So this is 1 and 5. Can we say that 1 and 5 have a common factor except 1? No. So we should leave it. So LCM of 15 and 75 is what we have to do, students. We have to multiply all these things. 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5. So 5 3s are 15, 15 5s are 75. Clear? So LCM of 15 and 75 is 75. Clear? Next, we are asked a question. We are asked to find out LCM of 110 and 250 by prime factorization method. Oh, it's very hard. Is it hard, students? Listen. It seems hard, but it is very simple, students. What we have to do? How to find prime factor? Listen. To find prime factor, do here like this I do. Okay. To find prime factor, do here like I do. Whenever you factorize, firstly start with a smaller prime factor. So 2 will be the smallest prime factor, no? So 2 5s are 10. Now 2 5s are 10 again. Now is 55 divisible by 2? No. By 3? No. By 5. So take 5. Here you can see that 2, 5 and 11 all are prime. So we can say that prime factors of 110 are 110 what? 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. Again, in the same way, we have to find the factors, prime factors of 250, 250. So, students, what to do? You know that firstly we have to divide it. Firstly, we have to factorize the number by 2. So 2 1s are 2 and 25 2 is 50. Clear? Now it is divisible by 5 only. So 5, 25 and again 5. Clear? So we can say that the prime factorization of 250 is okay. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, you can see 2 5s are 10, 10 5s are 50, 5s are 250. Clear? So common prime factor pairs. Okay, these are the common prime factor pairs. So we have to include these things only once. So LCM of 110 and 250 is 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 11. 5 2 is 10 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 11. And students, 25 multiplied by 11 is equal to 275. Okay, 275. So 10 multiplied by 275 is equal to 2750 is an answer. So LCM is 2750. Clear? You are instructed before that write the numbers in a row in this method. Okay, now divide both of them with a common prime factor. Okay, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 20 is equal to 40. 2 multiplied by 30 is equal to 60. Now again 2 multiplied by 10 is equal to 20. Again 2 multiplied by 15 is equal to 30. Now students, is it divisible by 2 further? No, it is divisible by 5. So we need to write 5. 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15. You can see that 2 and 3 are co-prime numbers and they can be divisible by a common factor. So we have to leave it. Okay, we should leave it here. So LCM of 40 and 60 is 120. Clear students? I hope you have understood this chapter completely. And students, this is the time to do complete 5.8. And if you have any doubt, please ask me.